The Helianthus matrix, an industrialized agricultural landscape optimized for high-volume lipid-rich seed extraction. Inflorescence maturity audit. The moisture parameters within the fibrous seed hulls have dropped to optimal harvest values. The Sunflower Threshing, a high-efficiency mechanical flow engineered to slice inflorescence assets and extract pure seeds. Manual inflorescence sampling, verifying seed-to-hull adhesion parameters prior to heavy machinery deployment. Abscission layer verification, confirming the internal achenes separate cleanly from the fleshy receptacle tissue.
Mechanical ingress automation, deploying long, channel-guided pans to align the tall plant stalks.
Positional crop guiding. The specialized header structure minimizes pre-harvest seed loss by catching premature drops.
Controlled kinematic header feed.
High-shear stem decapitation. The mechanical knife cuts exclusively below the receptacle base. Minimalist biomass harvest logic, leaving the heavy lignified stalks intact to reduce machine internal wear. Internal material transport sequence, funneling the flower heads into the primary threshing chamber. Mechanical impact rubbing kinetics, utilizing low to medium rotational velocity to dislodge seeds without cracking hulls.
Achene dislodgement isolation phase.
Primary organic residue disposal loop, returning empty receptacle biomass back to the soil substrate.
Onboard sifting stratification, passing the mass of seeds across multi-tiered reciprocating sieve screens.
Cross-current aerodynamic separation, eliminating low-density contaminants from the high-density seed stream.
In-field continuous logistics transfer.
Volumetric seed mass discharging, accumulating raw harvested assets into high-capacity transport containers.
Industrial plant ingress protocol, transitioning raw field-grade seeds into the advanced purification line.
Primary receiving hopper injection. Macro-contaminant exclusion phase, separating unthreshed heads, long sticks, and large rocks.
Heavy mineral debris rejection sequence, eliminating microstones that escaped the scalper screens. Thermal moisture stabilization ingress, preventing post-harvest microbial activation and oil degradation.
Precise thermal zone regulation, maintaining temperatures below the seed coat oil scorching threshold.
Mechanical width classification matrix, separating confection-grade seeds from oil-crushing stock. Post-dehulling fractional stratification, separating lightweight hulls from heavy nutrient-dense kernels. Vacuum air-shear hull evacuation, diverting hull fractions into the agricultural pellet biomass stream.
Biochemical quality validation, assaying fatty acid profiles and checking for chemical rancidity indicators.
Near-infrared spectroscopic audit, instantly measuring exact total oil yield percentage variables.
Lipid hydroperoxide quantitative analysis, ensuring total product chemical stability.
High-capacity commercial containerization phase. Automated bag manipulation mechanics.
Volumetric mass bag filling optimization.
Heavy-duty mechanical boundary closure integration.
Real-time alphabetic data encoding. Robotic materials handling and logistics consolidation. Mechanical crop divider optimization. Botanical tissue surface structural topography.
rotational mechanical power transmission interface.
High-velocity fluidized particulate turbulence.
High-friction incline material transport. Reciprocating mechanical drive synchronicity. Pneumatic condensate drainage cycle. High-velocity kinetic energy impact matrix.
Static negative pressure gauge control.
Acoustic kinetic energy attenuation loop.
Solid-state constant flux photonic array. Industrial lipid refining ingress. Processing lower-grade seeds for commercial vegetable oil yield. High-pressure continuous mechanical fluid expression. Raw lipidic extraction phase. Separating crude oil fractions from solid plant tissue.
High-protein de-oiled cake mass discharge.
Chemical refining loop. Separating free fatty acid soapstocks via high centrifuge rotation. Adsorptive color pigment extraction phase. Eliminating chlorophyll and keratin components. Purified commercial lipid quality manifestation. High-velocity fluid packaging loop ingress. Automatic constant level volumetric liquid dispensing. High-speed rotational torque closure seal. Precise photocell registration label application. Automated high-density inventory matrix consolidation. Logistics distribution identification string encoding. Intermodal freight shipping asset deployment.
Global supply chain transit integrity isolation.
Environmental particulate emission control loop. Collecting hazardous organic dust.
Automated operational tribology maintenance loop. High voltage plant subsystem power injection. The Sunflower Threshing extraction milestone achievement. The high-yield refined lipidic output manifestation.
Structural product perfection verification.
Complete synchronization of the industrial agricultural extraction cycle. Post-production system equilibrium maintenance state.
Harvest motion.
Engineering precision. The mechanical sunflower harvest. The sunflower threshing. Only on Harvest Motion.